Now the next question, simplify. You are going to simplify this, factorize, and anything you can cancel, you can cancel. So AB minus B square, B is common. When you take B out, A minus B divided by A square minus B square. You are going to apply the formula. A square minus B square is A plus B multiplied with A minus B. I'm just going to apply that formula. A plus B multiplied with A minus B. These two expressions are common. We can cancel. Left out you will write B divided by A plus B. Our answer is B divided by A plus B. Done. Next. Work out. You are going to find this product of these two matrices. Okay, we can go for this. I will product of these two matrices. I'll tell you how to do with this. You can go with row by column multiplication. We can take the result in terms of big bracket, 2 multiplied with 1. So you can use your calculator, or you can do manually. I'll be doing manually. 2 negative 1 multiplied with negative 5 is positive 5. 2 multiplied with 6 is 12. Negative 1 multiplied with 4 is negative 4. Now second row, first column, 4. 3 multiplied with negative 5 is 15. Negative 15. 4 multiplied with 6 is 24. And 3 multiplied with 4 is positive 12. So here we have, okay, so here we have 7, and this will give you 8, this will give you negative 11, and this will give you 36. Your answer is 7, 8, negative 11, 36. Fine. You can do with your calculator also. Find the value of x when the determinant of, so they want us to find this x when the determinant of the matrix is 5. First, write the matrix in determinant format, which is equal to 5. You know how to expand the determinant, the leading diagonals product minus the product of other two terms. So 3 multiplied with x minus of negative 7 multiplied with negative 1 is equal to 5. 3x, okay. You can go for negative 7 multiplied with negative 1 is positive 7. Outside you have negative symbol. Make sure that you know this. Move the 7 to the other side. 3x is equal to 5 plus 7. 3x is equal to 5 plus 7. So I have here 12. X is equal to 12 divided by 3, that is 4. Okay, now 21st problem. I want, without using a calculator, work out. You must show all your working and give your answer as a mixed number in its simplest form. Take the number. You know very well, division means when you take reciprocal of the fraction, it will become multiplication. So I'm doing that as my first step. Now you have to take 3 multiplied with 8, which gives you 24 plus 1. 25 divided by 8 multiplied with 12 by 5. You can cancel in 5 tables. This will go 1 times, 25 will go 5 times. You can cancel with 4 tables. This will go, 8 will go 2 times and 12 will go 3 times. We have 5 divided by 2 multiplied with 3 divided by 1. Our answer will be 15 divided by 2. They want us to write in terms of mixed fraction. You know how to write it. 15 divided by 2. We will be writing it as 7 multiplied with half. So you can check. 2 multiplied with 7 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. Okay. Simple. Take 15, divide by 2. You will be writing the quotient here, remainder here, and 2 here. Simple. So our answer is 7 multiplied with, 7 1 by 2. Now 22nd problem we are in. we have a graph here. I'll be reading the question. The speed time graph shows the first 50 seconds of the journey. First 50 seconds, 0 to 50 seconds. Time is in seconds and speed is in meter per seconds. The acceleration during the first 15 seconds. We know the acceleration formula. Speed divided by time. Speed is 0 to 25. So, final minus initial, 25 minus 0 divided by time. Final minus initial, 15 minus 0. So, we have 25 divided by 15. Okay. I'll be using my calculator. 25 divided by 15. We have here 1.6667, or I can simply state this as 1.67. It's up to us, or you can write in fractions also. Now the next part of this is the distance traveled in the 50 seconds. Okay, distance traveled in the 50 seconds, total distance, which is nothing but area of this triangle and area of this rectangle. You will be writing distance is equal to, okay, area of triangle plus area of rectangle. Okay, you know area of triangle formula, half multiplied with base multiplied with height. Area of rectangle is length multiplied with width. Okay, I'm just going to check in the formula. Height of the triangle is this 25. Am I right? So height is equal to 25. Base is equal to 15 minus 0, that is 15. Now here 50 minus 15 will be the length, which is equal to 35. Okay, and the same height, so 25 will be my width also. Base is 15, height is 25. I'm just going to substitute 1 by 2 multiplied with 15 multiplied with 25. Okay, plus length. Okay, 35 multiplied with 25. Now you can take your calculator and just substitute these values and get the answer. Okay, I'm just going to substitute. Fine. 1 divided by 2 multiplied with 15 multiplied with 27 plus 35 multiplied with 25. Okay, so what we are getting is 1062.5. I'm having 1062.5. So I'll be writing 1062.5 meters as my answer. Here we should write the answer. Okay. The next question is, okay, A is the point 2, 3 and B is the point 7, negative 5. We have 2 points. I'll write, this is my point A, this is my point B. They want us to find the midpoint. Okay, find the coordinates of the midpoint. So midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. We will be substituting the points. 2 plus 7 divided by 2. Okay, and then 3 minus 5 divided by 2. You will be taking your calculator. You can do the midpoint formula directly in calculator, or you can do manually also, divided by 2, which gives me 4.5. I'll be writing here 4.5 or 9 by 2 as you wish, and 3 minus 5 divided by 2, which gives me negative 1. Okay, so I have here negative 1, or you can write negative 2 by 2. Fine. Now find the equation of line through A that is perpendicular to AB. You can understand the question. They want us to find the equation of the line which passes through A and that is perpendicular to AB. So this line's equation we need. How I'm going to find this means I know a statement or a formula. If two straight lines are perpendicular, their slopes product is -1. I'm just going to take here m1, m2 is equal to -1. You know the slope formula, y2 minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So I'm going to apply that formula here for my first line AB. Okay, so I'll be applying that here, which gives me slope of AB. I can write here slope of AB is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So I have -5 minus 3 divided by 7 minus 2. Okay, we will be taking the calculator. -5 minus 3 divided by 7 minus 2, that's 5. -1.6. We have -1.6, or if you need in fraction, -8 by 5. I have -8 by 5. -8 by 5. Now take your formula, substitute in the formula here. -8 by 5 multiplied with m2 is equal to -1. So m2 is equal to negative will go off the reciprocal of the fraction. m2 is equal to 5 by 8. Now the formula is y minus, okay, y is equal to 5 by 8x plus c. It passes through, this line passes through A. The point A is 2, 3. So I can say passes through A. The point is 2, 3. I'm going to just substitute in the place of x2 and in the place of y3. We will be getting here 3 is equal to 5 by 8 multiplied with 2 plus c. We can find c from this. 3 is equal to 5 divided by 4 plus c. Now take this fraction to the other side. 3 minus 5 by 4 is equal to c. So I'm taking my calculator here. 3 minus 5 divided by 4. What we are getting is 7 by 4. So c is equal to 7 by 4. Required equation is y is equal to 5 divided by 8x plus 7 divided by 4. Okay, it's a lengthy problem. It's a 4-mark question. Now the next question, 24th question, is we have a diagram here. Calculate SR. First look at SR. Okay, we will be using trigonometric formulas here. I'm taking in triangle PSR. Okay, I'll be using the sine formula. S divided by sine S is equal to P divided by sine P is equal to R divided by sine R. Now check what you want and what is so clear. Opposite side to S is lowercase s. Opposite side to P is lowercase p. We need S and P. I don't want this R representation. You can skip this. Just substitute in this. We will be having S as 7.4 divided by sine of angle S, 97. P, we don't know side P, divided by sine of angle P, 53 degrees. So I can continue with P. P is equal to 7.4 divided by sine 97 multiplied with sine 53 degrees. Okay, you can take your calculator again. Fraction of 7.4 divided by sine of 97 degrees, close it, and that multiplied with sine of 53 degrees, which gives us 5.95. I have here 5.95. okay, which is nothing but SR. The side P is SR. Now RQ, we need RQ. that is here, RQ is here, which is opposite to P again. So I can write this as lowercase p, but here the provided content is I have two sides. They want the third side, I'm sorry, this is your P. We need two, they have provided us two sides. Third side is required and one angle is provided. You will be using cosine formula. Cosine formula we are going to use. So the formula states that P is equal to square root of R square plus Q square minus 2RQ cos P. Okay. P, the side I need, which is RQ. They are asking RQ in terms of P I'm writing. Okay. Now you can check here. P, opposite to P is this. Similarly, opposite to R is 8.5. This is my lowercase r. And opposite to Q is 7.4. So I will write here R as 8.5. We have R square in the formula and Q is 7.4 square minus 2 times of R 8.5 multiplied with Q 7.4 cos of angle P. Check in your diagram, angle P is 26. I'll be writing here 26 degrees. Now you can take your calculator. Okay. We are going to take the calculator and we are going to proceed. Square root of 8.5 square plus 7.4 square minus 2 times of 8.5 multiplied with 7.4 multiplied with cos of 26. Here ends 3.733. I have here 3.733. Okay. Yeah. So we have completed this question paper. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.